Welcome back everyone. We got a mod. Please, if you are new in this channel, subscribe to this channel, follow this channel, like this channel so that you learn Dinka language with us. Today we are going to learn singular and plurals. So let us begin. 1. Dog. Dog is singular, is called boy. Then plurals is called duck. Duck. Boys. Nya. Nya. Nya is girl. Plural is nyir. Nyir girls, or you call them nyal. Nyal. Nyir. Nyal girls. Number 3. Tik. Tik. Tik mean woman. The plural of tik is diar. Diar. Women, or you call dior. Dior. This one. Dior. Women. Is the same. Diar or dior. Dior is a collective noun. So it's a collection of women. Dior. Number 4. Row. Row mean hippo. The plural of row is roth. 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 Hippos. Number 5. Riai. Riai mean boat. Plural of riai is riet. Riet. Riet boats. Number 6. Ran. Ran. Ran mean person. Person. The plural of ran is koch. Koch. Koch mean people. Number 7. Wing. Wing. Wing mean cow. Cow. The plural of wing in Dinka is called hawk. Hawk. Or you can say wang. Wang. Wang or hawk same mean cows. Number 8. Hut. Hut. Hut mean house. The plural of hut mean hut. Hut. Hut mean houses. Number 9. Bai. Bai. Bai mean home. The plural of bai mean bay. Bay. Bay mean homes. Number 10. Panda. Panda mean our home. Our home panda. Panda madinga will. The plural of panda mean baikwa. Baikwa. Baikwa mean our homes. Number 11. Jong. Jong mean dog. The plural of jong mean jok. Jok or jok. Jok or jok mean dogs. Jok. Jok. You can say jok or jok. Jok mean they are plural. That is collective. Number 12. Agumut. Agumut mean whole. The plural of agumut mean agumut. 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 Holes. 13. Did. Did mean bird. The plural of did mean diet. 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 Birds. Or diet. 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 Diet mean collective. Number 14. Diop. Diop. Diop mean sister-in-law. The plural of diop mean diop. Diop. Diop sisters-in-law. Number 15. Number 14. No, number 15. Angui. Angui. This 15. Angui. Angui mean aina. The plural of angui in Dinka mean angot. Angot. A nga u o ot. Angot. Ines. That's the plural. Number 16. Kor. Kor. Kor mean lion. Lion. The plural of course in Dinka is kor. Kor. Kor mean lions. Number 17. Dom. Dom. Dom mean palm. The plural of dom mean dooms. Doom. Doom mean palms. There are a lot of palms. Doom. Let's correct this one. This 15, 16, 17, 18, this 19, this 20, and this to be 21. So you have to know it, guys. Sorry for that error. Del. Del mean road. Road. The plural of del mean del. Del. Roads. Roads. Gav. Gav mean town. What we mean gav in Dinka, it mean town, city, or in the market. Gav, town, city, or markets. The plural of gav in Dinka is called gap. 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 Towns. Gap. Plural. Galam. Galam mean pen. The plural of galam mean galams. Galam. Galam mean pants. Sorry, I put S. It's not S. There is no S. There is galam. Galam. Pants. The plural singular much. Much. Much mean man. Man. In English, the plural of man is men. So you write for me this one, guys. Here. How do we call the plural of much in Dinka language? So let me know from you guys. Comment here. Put it there if you know it. So let me see, guys, how you are able to know the difference between singular and plural in Dinka language. So ran welcome by ran Pio Thoŋjäŋ Sol William Majak. Follow, like, share, subscribe to our YouTube to get more Dinka lesson. Nyali kawek wiania by William Majak Malek Deng. Nyali kawek wiania. Wa ben yok video dat bu ben.